Welcome to this part 9 in our continuing series of video clips about downloading, installing, configuring, optimizing, and running Linux Air Combat. Currently we're talking about version 9.48, which is the newest version. It's actually in beta test from this date, the 4th of October 2023. And as you can see, we're using our LacMenuLauncher. And let's talk a little bit about, first of all, how easy that was to compile. That is really easy to compile because there's only one file, and this doesn't use any unusual libraries. Every part of it should be present in every desktop Linux distro, so it should work just for everybody, just as simple as I showed you how to compile it. You just literally type gcc main.c, and it's done. It might take about 3 seconds. And you get this. Now that we've done it, and the menu's here, let me show you a little bit what it's like to play with it. First of all, suppose we want to choose an airplane. I'm going to type option B here. So option B, choose your aircraft. I'm going to type B, enter. It gives me a list. And suppose I want to fly a Spitfire. That's a British airplane from the United Kingdom. So I'm going to look at the airplanes from England by typing E. And I get a list of the British airplanes that are supported by Linux Air Combat. There are 2 Spitfires available. Let's fly the latest, greatest one, the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 9 by typing G here. When I hit that, it says, okay, you selected the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 9. Would you like to, 1, just check online for multimedia about this aircraft? You may need to refresh your browser to get YouTube to play the video clips. If I press 1 here, it'll fire up my browser and show documentary videos about the airplane. But that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to enter a 2 right here. Option 2, just select this airplane for flight. So I'm going to press a 2. And when I do that, enter. It says configuring command line to activate Supermarine Spitfire Mark 9 with a parameter -P207. So here's the command line at present, LAC with this new parameter. It says select plane 207. Now that I've done that, I've selected a Spitfire. I could use item F to run LAC by executing that command. But one more thing I'd like to do is choose a mission. Let's put that in Blake's mission, real simple mission here. So I'm going to go now choose a mission with item C, mission and team. So I'm going to hit a C here and say, okay, what mission do I want? Let's fire up Blake's mission by entering a K. So I'm going to press a K here. And it'll configure me. Say, would you like to just check online for multimedia about this mission? If I press a 1 here, it'll again show a YouTube documentary about this mission. Or I can do 2 here. Just select this as my current default mission. Let's do that. So I'm going to press a 2 to select Blake's mission. It says adding a new command line parameter to set default mission to Blake's mission, which is mission number 25. So now you can see my command line is bigger. It tells me what airplane I want, what mission I want. But I haven't yet specified what team I want. And I might like to do that. So let's do that too, just for fun. I'm going to do again option C, choose a mission and team by typing a C here and pressing enter. And now choose a team is option A. So I'm going to press A. And it asks me choose team affiliation. Enter B for blue team or R for red team. Well, let's go fly for the red team. So hit R, enter. Now, once again, my command line now shows launch LAC with an airplane, a mission number, and put me on the red team, team red. That's good enough. We're ready now to fly it. Here's the reward. When I want to do that, I just type item F, run LAC by executing the command line with options shown above. So I'm going to hit an F. And watch what happens. It's going to behave differently than you've ever seen LAC behave before, I think. Here we go. Invoking Linux Air Combat, setting default aircraft, setting mission. Here we are. Notice down here, your LAC-config.txt file designates a default mission. So all of LAC's ordinary menus will be quickly bypassed, and the designated mission will start automatically within a few seconds. Just click your mouse once now, then your mission will start after 6 seconds without mouse motion. So here I'm going to go click. It tells me it's going to do Blake's mission, displays details, and if I don't do anything for 6 seconds, it just puts me in the mission and we're going. So I didn't have to use any of Lac's missions. When I'm done, there I'm in my Supermarine Spitfire flying around Blake's mission. When I hit escape, it takes me right back to those menus, and I can change other things. Note that all the parameters that I used are remembered. Lac remembers all these parameters. I don't need them anymore. So I can clear them out by running Command G, reset the command line. And hereafter, anytime I want to just run Lac with item F, it's just going to do that same thing again. Notice here, it says your mission will start after 6 seconds without mouse motion. So I'm going to click here. If I keep moving my mouse, I've got time to read all these items. So if I want to know, who's in the active players list or get the details about the mission, as long as I just keep moving my mouse around or read this alert about usernames and stuff, I've got plenty of time to read that. But once I stop, 6 seconds after I stop moving my mouse, I'm dropped right back into the mission again, and it's just like before. So I can fly around, I can crash into the ground and get myself killed, whatever I want to do. When I press escape, it takes me right back to the menu launcher, and we're right back to where we were. You can do all the same things through this menu that you can do through Lac's menus. Obviously, it's more compatible. In some ways, it runs a little faster. So there you have it. That's the new Linux Air Combat menu launcher and how we use it after compiling it. As you saw, compiling it is just the simplest thing in the world. When you're done, you can hit H for exit, and you're back to a command prompt.